may ano din
Kumusta
least
dyan? Yung gawain, wala na?
Andyan din yung movement kasi dito di gaya ng mga di ba dati kung paano yung transition ng
Amen.
transition ba ng mensahe. So yung nangyayari dito ngayon is as the Spirit leads us, doon lang kami
Amen.
nagtitipon-tipon. Then kung for example na yun ang lead sa kabilang gathering, sa kanilang bahay o sa kapatiran doon sa Rojas o sa Negros, hopefully this coming October siguro end of October we'll be going to Bacolod. We'll try na mag-connect din sa mga kapatiran natin doon.
Amen.
Naalala ko lang yung way back, kung alala mo yung last na pagpunta ni Brother Mita. Kung naalala mo yung tawag dito, yung bang sinabi doon ni Brother Mita na si Jesus daw, sabi niya, na yung parang sa yung pista, yung kung naalala niyo yung topic nila that time, na sabi niya na pag nagpo-post daw yung events daw nangyari, yung scenario daw is about kay Peter nung time na yun, nakaharap si Jesus, and then sabi ni Brother Mita, kung sa naalala ko lang, sabi niya na di ba yung meron siyang espada na pinutol niya yung tenga ng isang doon, ng isang army doon. At ang sabi ni Jesus doon is cut, kumbaga sabi niya cut, and then sabi niya dapat hindi ganun yung ginawa mo, sabi niya ganun. Yung para bang yung point doon is he was portraying ng isang bagay na kasi yung point ko dito is alam ko na may mga events na halimbawa yung mga fellowship natin ganito ganyan. Ito yung pagkakakita ko lang my personal view, no? Kasi yung transition ng movement natin from supposed to be halos araw-araw, linggo-linggo, midweek service, paulit-ulit na ganun. Paulit-ulit yung until na keep quiet baby. Until such time ba na nangyari na maingay kasi mga wait na may nag-intermission number dito bata.
Amen.
Doon, dali mo doon. Please. Yan ang bakit kung minsan madalang ako mag-usap kasi pag dating ko dito sa bahay, ang mga bata dito, talagang ako ang habol. Kumbaga naikot talaga to sila lahat. Para kung pwede lang, aanuhin ako nito. Kaya kamisa sa hiya na lang ako mag-ano kasi.
Okay
So,
lang yan.
balik tayo dun sa thought na...
Amen. Sa thought po.
Oo. So, sabi ko, grab ko lang yung chat habang wala pa namang at least, di ba? So, yung thought ko dito is, I take this as something ba na, di ba si Jesus most of his time, way back before, na nagtitipon siya, nagdi-deal siya, and then, yung nakuha ko lang yung point ni Brother Mita doon na sabi niya na, marami tayong cuts, sabi niya gano'n. Yung cuts ba, pag sabihin natin cut, it's something like that we are trying to, di ba, ano bang ginagawa ng director kapag nagka-cut siya, di ba? Pag nag-cut ang director, pumupunta siya dun sa artista at sinasabi niya sa artista na hindi dapat ganun yung yung tawag dito, yung dapat na gagawin mo. Ito dapat. Ito dapat, lalapit na naman siya sa traidor doon. Sasabihin dapat ganito, dapat. So, the point is, what he was saying is, dumating tayo sa point na dapat pag magaling kang artista, madalang kang kumbaga madalang ka sa kundi more ka doon sa point na you are more on doing the action rather than trying to realization all the time. O the point is, yung bang kakatayo and then, naalala nyo ba nito? Ito bang dapat gawin natin? Something like that. So, kaya I see now na nung pumunta tayo dito ngayon sa transitioning ng bagong sistema o yung bagong movement, nakita natin na binrake yung churchanity. Hindi natin pinilit yun. Gradually, tina-transition tayo ng spirit into more on direktang gagawin ang akto ng salita rather than trying to, more on gathering, more on something like that. The change is happening wherein we start to realize that we are more on acting the word rather than bringing realization, talking and talking and talking, but rather acting and acting and acting. So hindi na gaya sa time ni Jesus na sasabihin pa na, kumbaga yung point na ni Brother Mita na ikakat niya yung story, ganun, di ba, yung point na ganun, kundi more na tayo na we start to realize that we are now exactly acting the word, yung parang ganun. So yung changes ngayon is hindi tayo nagpumilit ng ganitong movement, kundi tayo kusa pumapasok sa nature kung saan as the Spirit leads us, we are more on acting the word, yung parang ganon. So yun yung nakikita ko sa ngayon. Kaya medyo kumbaga yung sino man na adapt yung church mode, kumbaga, manghihina sa ganitong setup. Naalala ko yung sabi ng Angel kay Bar Parnell nung time na sinabi niya na hindi siya tatagal dito. Kasi mahilig tayo doon sa mahilig tayo doon sa halos kung pwede, Brad, pag-usapan natin to. Brad, pag-usapan natin to. We are more on cuts rather than doing what's supposed to be the one that is dealing within us, kumbaga. So now we are starting to do the action of the word, and that is what we are exactly doing right now. Yun ang nakikita ko now. Makikita mo na yung mga bawat isa nagtuthrow na ng thoughts, and we are more on delivering it, putting it into action, making it, kumbaga, na we are placing our feet on the ground. Just a term na dating ginagamit pa, that we are now having this rubber meet the road. Parang ganun. So yun ang na-appreciate ko doon. And at the same time, now every time, from time to time, as the Spirit leads us, we come up and we try to talk about things, not exactly nung dati sa church age na ways na we are pulling something na but what we are doing right now is through the collective na thoughts na kinukuha na natin yung mga memorya na yon, and then we are trying to recognize it and putting our feet on the ground na. Yun yung na-appreciate ko.
Example.
Yeah, for example, di ba, kung if naalala mo yung mga term na ginagamit natin na yung angelic visitations, and so forth, na we're trying na, if you remember yung sa time ni Jesus, time ni Bar Parnell, na nandun siya nakahiga and he was talking with the angel, and then the angel was strengthening him, telling him na why na nagstick ka dyan sa movement, sa ganyang kababang umakyat ka dito. So it was actually implying to us na we are now exactly doing the word. Kumbaga yung yung tawag dito, yung sinasabi na, kasi dito naman ako papasok dito sa point na mula noong Garden of Eden, if kung nakikita natin doon, merong angel doon na pinapalabas si Adam at si Eve sa Garden ng Eden. At alam natin na yung Garden ng Eden, katawan natin yan. At alam naman natin yung word na yon, yung prutas na yon, o yung ang tree of life na yon, nandito yun sa loob. Ang ginawa lang naman ng angel na yon, walang iba kundi yung human spirit natin na pinagtalaga ng spirit, ng great spirit, para i-guard si Adam para hindi lumapit doon sa tree of life. Yung tree of life na yun, walang iba kundi dito yan sa loob natin din. Ito yung life natin mismo. Ang ginawa lang naman ng human spirit is kinuha yung dependency natin dito sa loob at pinalabas lang. Yun lang ang ginawa ng human spirit sa atin. Kaya yung views natin, if we are asking for healing, we are trying to look outside. If we try to look for guidance, we try to look outside until such time na na-realize natin, nasanay tayo na kumunik doon sa labas lahat. Until we failed to realize na yung tree of life hindi sa labas, nandun sa loob.
Sa loob natin.
Yes, exactly. So what the Spirit is telling us right now, as we are coming up into this movement, wherein the Spirit is telling us, it just to remind us, di ba? Kaya nga merong sa napakaraming tawag dito, napakaraming taon every 2,000 years may nature. Pagdating dito sa pang 11, dalawa. 'Di ba? I do, I give. So eto ngayon yung ginagawa ng Spirit sa atin na we are acting, producing the very life of the Word, kumbaga. So, I do, which is I agree, I accept the Word, and then I give. So when you say you are to try to give something, you are now trying to put everything that what was being tawag dito, what was being consumed by us, we are now starting to act it out. So yun yung nangyayari ngayon. Now, mula doon sa Garden of Eden until such time sa ating time ngayon, until sa time natin ngayon, if makikita mo doon, dumating tayo sa point na we are starting to move now na hindi lang to hindi lang to na ibig sabihin na individual ganito, no, but we are now the very spirit, itong isang spirit na to is now moving upon us and is feeding us, kumbaga, ng na lahat ng movement na to is connected to us, kumbaga. So we are now acting it out, and we try to realize na yung word na nandun at the time, yung human spirit at that time na it tries to stay out, kumbaga pinapalabas tayo doon sa recognition ng word na nasa atin. Now we are coming back, and then after coming back, after we try to move on to the step na we try to be to focus on the very word within us. Now we after that, after we settled ourselves, now it's time to move on with the humanity. Kasi ang hirap, mostly, nung narinig yung sinasabing mensahe ng humanity, halos lahat nagkandarapan na pumunta ng humanity, reach out ng humanity, but they failed to do yung isang step. How can you able to fill someone's cup if you can able to fill yourself? How can you able to say to love one another if you can't even love yourself? Diba? So yun yung movement ngayon na dinodrove tayo ngayon na to realize na we are not just, kumbaga, simply na nag-aano ng word, kundi tayo mismo yung persona ng salita na naglalakad ngayon, nagmo-move at nag-a-act ng word.
Amen. Pastor Aisel, nawala ka.